Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the starter on a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Park on level ground, disconnect the battery negative terminal, and gather tools. Begin by raising the front of the vehicle and supporting it with jack stands for safe access. Locate the starter on the passenger side, inspect electrical connections, and remove the heat shield if present before unbolting the starter assembly. In this video, I will show how to replace the starter on a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Start by laying out the tools near your work area and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Use a 13 mm for mounting bolts and 10 mm for electrical terminals, and keep a marker to note wire locations. Remove the starter carefully, compare the new unit to the old one, and transfer any brackets or heat shields before installing. In this video, I will show how to replace the starter on a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Quick recommendation: when you're under the hood for hours, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle because it fits cup holders and won't spill. If you like the tip and want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if this is helpful. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace the starter on a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. After disconnecting the battery, unplug the solenoid connector and loosen the battery cable from the starter. Support the starter with one hand while removing the mounting bolts to prevent it from falling. Inspect the flywheel teeth for damage, clean the mounting surface, and compare the replacement starter to ensure correct orientation and electrical connections before reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.